How's it going, everybody? Welcome to a brand new episode of Crypto Clout, the YouTube show where we keep you in the know about all the things happening in the cryptocurrency zone. Of course, we've got Bitcoin at $5,105 at the current time making this video, and this is sort of a continuation of that uptrend that we've been seeing pretty much across the board, which is pretty exciting to see. But of course, I'd like to start this video by saying that the bear market's not completely over and done yet, although we have seen pumps like these followed by dramatic dumps. And of course, Bitcoin reaching that $5,000 level is a pretty good confidence booster. And of course, seeing that extra 80 mil or so added to the market cap, is pretty exciting. But at the same time, we've got to still keep our heads on straight, because one of the major problems that I see a lot of people who are in the cryptocurrency space that essentially they run into is they are so standoffish when it comes to their buying of crypto when the prices are actually affordable. But then as soon as something like this happens and all of a sudden all the news articles are basically talking about cryptocurrency favorably, they're all essentially wasting their money, and they're just going to be riding the train as it goes down, which I'd imagine is a symptom of the FOMO that a lot of people experience. But then again, that's no for certain. Of course, we could see this train keep going, and of course in the we've been seeing a lot of various different articles that have sort of hinted towards that sentiment. After breaking a major market trend line a few days ago, BTC has seemingly found strength as it burst up in a matter of minutes late Monday night into early Tuesday morning. The number one cryptocurrency has been struggling to break above 4,200 over the last 4 months, but finally did so with gusto. It went for just 4,200 to 5,000. Some exchanges with 1 hour from 11:30 p.m. on Monday, and then of course 12:30 Tuesday morning. So what does this mean? And of course, this video today, we're going to be focusing on what does this actually mean for Cardano, and what does this mean for the altcoin adventure that we're all on. Of course, I'm very excited about what this could do for the cryptocurrency space, because whenever we see this sort of massive price movement, Bitcoin Cash up as much as 50% at the time of making this video. But of course, I think we need to give our attention to Cardano, because usually you guys ask me how these sort of events are going to overlap with a lot of the cryptocurrencies that we tend to cover on a regular basis on this channel. So thinking about the developments that are happening within the Cardano technology, and essentially how we can expect to see, it's an interesting notion to imagine a 1 cent Cardano coming out of this. But I think it is very possible. That we're going to start off by looking at this article right here. ADA price surge more than 20% after forming a support basis near 0.05 against the US dollar. The price trading above the key 7 and then 8 resistance level. In the past 3 seasons, there were, there was a break above a couple declining channels of bullish flags at 6, and then of course 7-1 on the 4-hour chart. The price pumped above 9 level and tested the 9.5 resistance level. And of course, recently there was a strong rise. There was a essentially the crypto market, as Bitcoin price climbed above 5K, like we've recently just talked about. I think this what they've drawn right here, it is interesting to look at all these different speculations that people have been putting forward. But you look at the chart, it's pretty nice. For anybody who regularly accumulates crypto, this has been a pretty good 3-month streak to do it in. Of course, if you're a wise trader, then I'm sure that you've been able to take profits along the way. And of course, there's probably plenty of people out there who wish that they had been in the know when it comes to cryptocurrency, but still, I mean, it's all par for the course. These things tend to, I mean, if you didn't spend your money, I mean, I'd definitely say, I mean, you're not totally in the wrong, because I mean, of course, the past is no way to tell what's going to happen in the future with cryptocurrency, but the way I see it is everybody wins when crypto wins, and this is a decent startup. So I mean, this is also an interesting article. A Japanese crypto startup says it's hit a rare 1 billion valuation. A Tokyo-based cryptocurrency platform, trading platform, put a press release Wednesday that it had raised ventures funds at valuation in excess of 1 billion, making it one of the rare so-called unicorns in Japan. The startup has secured funding from investors including venture fund IDG Capital and crypto mining giant Bitcoin Technologies. So I mean, definitely go and check out this article. It's a pretty interesting one, and just goes to show you. I mean, when we want to talk about cryptocurrency, I mean, we've got this Elon Musk giving Dogecoin, it's saying that it was his favorite cryptocurrency. I wonder how much of a joke that is, but still, I mean, who doesn't like some Doge? I mean, if you would listen to Elon Musk and bought some Doge back in what was that, April 2nd was the time of that tweet. Well, I mean, today Doge is up like 34%. So I mean, hell, maybe Elon Musk was giving us one of his famous future predictions in that sense. But still, I mean, we've got Litecoin up 33%. Like I said, Bitcoin Cash. Let's look at the top performers for today. Of course, it is Bitcoin Cash and Doge, Litecoin, Bitcoin SV, of course, our boy Cardano. Then, of course, this is only the start. I mean, just in the nature of cryptocurrency, straight to the moon, as people tend to say, no dilly-dallying around. And I think that this is all par for the course to that extent. And of course, I mean, I expect things to level out probably somewhere around the 5,200, but hell, I could be wrong. I mean, hopefully we reach that $6,000 point, and then we can go to the moon from there. I think that this is a huge potential for something like Cardano, though, especially with Shelley right around the horizon, and a lot of these various different elements of the technology that are getting to the forefront and really developing. This is definitely an interesting time, but of course, also just want to make this video as sort of a reminder that you guys need to always make sure to do your research when it comes to these things. Of course, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice by any means. Obviously, this video is for entertainment, educational purposes only. Of course, if you guys are interested in giving us any feedback, make sure that you guys connect with us on our Twitter. That's at CryptoTuber. As always, interested in hearing what you guys have to say. It's always fun to read the comments down below that you guys post, letting us know what you guys think. But I think that as Cardano continues to move forward down their roadmap, we will be seeing some pretty interesting developments when it comes down to it. I spend hours every single day just reading cryptocurrency information, and something that stands out to me the most is probably Cardano. And I think that right now, with this boost in the crypto space, I mean, certainly there'll be a lot more eyes that turn to the cryptocurrency sphere. And you'd be surprised how quickly the reputation of these things can just bounce right back. I mean, when we have stuff that happened like years ago that fleshed out a lot of the bad actors, like 2018, 2017, I mean, these things aren't all bad. They're definitely important things that have happened in the space, and they'll certainly continue to move forward. And of course the development will happen regardless, thus far. So I'm definitely excited to see what's going to happen with something like Cardano. I'm very bullish on the future of cryptocurrency, even if this particular bull run isn't the one that takes us to the moon. I'm not very distracted by those things. I think This is pretty exciting, though. I mean, I think April is a good month for cryptocurrency, especially with spring right around the corner. People definitely looking at a lot of these different variables and seeing the upsides of cryptocurrency and exactly how the world is going to function in the future with smart contracts and all these different things coming right around the corner. And I think Cardano has really established itself as a key player in the cryptocurrency space, which is why we're seeing them as a top performer, especially right now, probably one of the most competitive times in cryptocurrency. But of course, I mean, I suppose we'll see where things move from this point forward. However, I think that it is an exciting road ahead. Congratulations to everybody who's been on this wild ride with us. I know that it hasn't been easy, but hell, I think it's been worth it for me, at least. I mean, I'm pretty excited about all the stuff that's been happening in the background, and it's awesome to see this channel has been growing so quickly. So of course, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you comment down below, letting us know what you think. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.